Warm, silky, and packed with flavor, egg drop soup is the ultimate comfort food. Imagine coming home after a long day, craving something that soothes your soul and warms your heart. In just 10 minutes, you can make this Chinese restaurant classic at home. With simple ingredients like eggs, chicken broth, and a touch of cornstarch, you can create a dish that's both elegant and comforting. The delicate ribbons of egg swirling in the broth are not just visually appealing, but also incredibly satisfying. Whether you're serving it as a starter or enjoying it as a light meal, egg drop soup is sure to become a favorite in your culinary repertoire. So, let's get cooking and bring a taste of China to your kitchen. You only need a few simple ingredients to create a delicious and comforting dish. Start with 4 cups of chicken broth. This will be the base of your soup, providing a rich and savory flavor. Make sure to use a good quality broth for the best results. Next, you'll need 2 eggs, beaten until smooth. These will add a wonderful texture and richness to the soup. To thicken the soup slightly, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry. This will help give the soup a nice consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce for a touch of umami, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil for a subtle nutty flavor. Don't forget the half teaspoon of grated ginger, which will add a lovely warmth and depth to the soup. Season the soup with salt and white pepper to taste. The white pepper will add a gentle heat without overpowering the other flavors. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference, tasting as you go to ensure the perfect balance. Finally, garnish the soup with chopped green onions. These will add a fresh, vibrant touch and a bit of crunch to each bite. The green onions not only enhance the visual appeal of the dish, but also contribute a mild, oniony flavor that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Enjoy your homemade soup. First, bring the chicken broth to a gentle simmer over medium heat. This is the base of our delicious soup. Next, add soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of grated ginger for that authentic depth of flavor. Now slowly add the cornstarch slurry to slightly thicken the broth. Stir well and let it cook for a minute. The magic step: slowly drizzle the beaten eggs into the soup while gently stirring in one direction to create those beautiful silky egg ribbons. Let it simmer for another minute, then serve hot with fresh green onions on top for the perfect finish. And there you have it, restaurant quality egg drop soup in just 10 minutes. This simple yet delicious recipe is perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a quick lunch or a comforting dinner. The silky egg ribbons blend seamlessly with the savory broth, creating a dish that's both satisfying and easy to make. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. We love hearing from you, so let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite soup? Is it a classic like chicken noodle or something more exotic like tom yum? Your feedback helps us bring you the content you love. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!